we are back with a new and interesting video. Well, it is not for grown-ups but for little kids. Yes, this video is sure for a little kid. If you have a little brother, or you can even make this for your son. This is a little toy fish by using this plastic spoons. The plastic spoon must be lying around your house, so let's make a use of it. So we are going to use this plastic spoon to make a toy fish. So first take the spoon and trim it from this edge. We are going to use this part, not this one. And I have this tail made. You can make any type shape of the tail you want. And this little eye, I made this using white foaming paper and black foaming paper. That is very easy to make this eye. So now first we're gonna stick the eye. This is a sticky situation. Apply the eye on the black pupil and then like this we're gonna paste it inside. Now it has stick perfectly. Now it's time for the tail. You can stick this tail as like it is, but I'm going to trim the edge off so it can stick nicely. You can stick from inside and outside. I'm going for outside. Take the glue, apply a bit of glue like this and paste this. Let it dry. So I'm going to do like this so the glue doesn't stick on the surface. It is going to take some time to dry. Look, it have dried properly. So now my brother can play with it. When I'm going to tell him that I made a fish for him, he's gonna be so excited that he's gonna shout. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.